Hey there. Overwhelmed by paper statements and want faster, more secure delivery? Enrolling in Schwab eDelivery gets your documents to you instantly and helps the environment. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to enroll. Log into your account, click on your name/profile in the top right, and select Communication Preferences. Under Delivery Options, you can switch each account from mail to electronic delivery for statements, confirmations, prospectuses, and tax forms. You can choose to get an email notification when a new document is ready in your secure message center. My crucial pro tip? Download your annual tax documents immediately. While Schwab stores them for years, make it a habit to download your annual 1099 and year-end statement each February. Save them with your permanent tax records. This guarantees you have them, regardless of future account changes. Just like that, you go paperless and create a smarter filing system. Are you fully paperless with all your financial accounts yet? What's holding you back? Let me know below. If eco-friendly and efficient tips appeal to you, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.